You will love the features of this 2023 Toyota 4Runner. This rugged 4Runner delivers serious off-road capability, a comfortable interior, and family-friendly practicality. Enjoy the great outdoors like never before in this astonishingly versatile vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, fog lamps. Celebrate your outdoor lifestyle in this remarkably capable 4Runner. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.